This is exercise for everyone. Welcome to Lesson 2, Bridges. Lesson 2, Part 4. Arm options in a bridge. You can also use any of these arm options along with the leg options we'll look at later on in this lesson. Arms at your sides. This is the typical and most standard positioning for one's arms when doing a bridge. Hands behind your head. This will require slightly more stability, which may be harder for some. And some people with their arms at their sides may push through their arms and slightly cheat. This variation will not allow you to do that. Arms extended overhead. You will need slightly more control through your upper abdominals when your arms are overhead, so that your bottom ribs do not lift, allowing your mid-back to arch. Arms extended overhead and then straight up above your shoulders. There are many arm motions that you can do while bridging. All of them are going to mean that you need more control, more stability, and more coordination. Arms extended overhead and then extended to your sides. Focus on reaching long through the arms, maintaining a neutral spine, and never losing focus of the bridge. Extended arm switches. Just adding a little bit more coordination and variation with the arm switches here. Be sure to do the second set starting with the other arm extended overhead. Arms extended straight above shoulders. This variation could also include a Pilates ring, a small mini stability ball, and/or a resistance band for added focus. Chest fly, arms open as you bridge. Keep your arms in line with your chest and shoulders, and of course you can hold light weights if you prefer while doing this. Chest fly, arms come together as you bridge. In addition to these two chest fly movements, you could also perform triceps extensions, pullovers, and many other exercises with small weights to add interest and variety to your bridges. Large arm circles, direction 1. Arm circles will of course require more coordination and increase the stability needed through your hamstrings, glutes, hips, and core. Large arm circles, direction 2. In addition to these two options, you may wish to alternate directions and/or do one arm at a time, alternating and/or in the same direction. Pilates style arm pumps. A small, vigorous arm pump will greatly increase the need for control. Therefore, all of the muscles involved in your bridge will need to work harder when you include an arm pump. Adding small weights and resistance bands to your bridges. Here's a quick sample of a few ways that you can increase the challenge of your bridge by adding some small weights or resistance bands. When including any exercise like this where you multitask, just make sure that you're always in control, be smart and safe, and always remember to keep the form of the exercise at hand first and foremost. Thanks for watching! In Part 5, we'll look at different placements for your legs while you do a bridge.